What if you could detect AI content, write essays, solve homework, and make everything sound human, all in one platform? What if you could detect AI content, write essays, solve homework, and make everything sound human, all in one platform? All right, now let's jump in and actually try it out. If you want to follow along, I've put the link in the description below so you can access Dechecker AI easily. First, we're going to log in. You can sign up using your email or just continue with your Google account, whichever is faster for you. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you'll see all the tools like the AI Detector, AI Homework, AI Essay Writer, the Humanizer, and Blog. Let's start with the AI Detector and see how accurate it really is. All right, this time I'm gonna paste in a more AI style paragraph, something that sounds polished, structured, and very typical of AI generated content. Let's run this through the detector and see if it gets flagged. All right, so here are the results, and this is where things get really interesting. As you can see, the tool is showing that this text is 100% AI generated, with 0% human. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean it was written entirely by AI, but it does mean the writing style strongly matches common AI patterns. Right below that, you'll see something called the probability analysis. This basically breaks down how likely the content is AI versus human, based on structure, tone, and consistency. And here's the most important part: the sentence level analysis. The tool actually highlights which sentences are most likely AI generated. You can see some are marked as high probability, while others are moderate. This is super helpful because instead of guessing what to fix, you can clearly see which parts of your content need to be rewritten to sound more natural. Here's the sample for human written. This will likely be flagged as human because it's more conversational, slightly imperfect, less structured, sounds like a real opinion, has natural flow and variation. Before we go deeper, I want to quickly explain what this AI checker actually does. So basically, tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini are becoming super popular, and a lot of content today is AI generated. Because of that, it's now really important to know whether something was written by a human or by AI. Dechecker helps with that by analyzing how the text is written, things like structure, tone, and wording, to figure out if it looks AI generated or not. And what's interesting is that it doesn't just label something as AI or human. It actually compares writing patterns, so you can see the difference between AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and real human writing. That way, you're not just detecting AI, you're understanding how it writes differently from humans. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful features, AI homework. With Dechecker, you can type a question, upload an image, get step-by-step answers. It works across subjects like math, science, and more. Here's the example. X squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Here's the result. The questions, final answers, and detailed step-by-step solutions are provided clearly. It also shows how to find the correct factors and rewrite the equation into its factored form. Everything is explained step by step until the summary and conclusion. Even though the font may appear slightly blurry, the correct answer to the math problem is still clearly presented. I have another example here. I'll upload the image so we can take a look at the result. So here's the question. Virtual Assistant can complete a task in 6 hours. AI tool can complete the same task in 4 hours. If both work together for 2 hours, how much of the task still remaining? So here's the final answer. 1/6 of the task is still remaining. Also, here's the summary and conclusion. After working together for 2 hours, the virtual assistant and AI tool have completed 5/6 of the task, leaving exactly 1/6 of the task remaining to be finished. Overall, this method turns a potentially confusing math problem into a clear, logical process that's easy to follow and apply to similar problems. Now, let's take a look first while we're waiting for the result and why you should choose this AI essay writer. First, it helps you create fast and structured academic writing. You can generate complete essays quickly without sacrificing quality because the AI automatically organizes your introduction, arguments, and conclusion. It's also very easy to customize. You can choose your language, academic level, essay type, word count, and citation style, so you get exactly the kind of essay you need. Another great feature is its ability to handle complex topics. You can upload references or source materials, and the AI will use them to create clear and academically sound content. Plus, you can continuously refine your work. With the built-in editor, you can edit, regenerate, and improve sections anytime until your essay is exactly how you want it. Now, let's talk about the core features. You get dual writing modes, which means you can either generate a full essay instantly or build it step by step using an outline for more control. It also offers advanced configurable outputs, allowing you to fully customize every part of your essay to match your requirements. There's also reference-aware AI generation, where you can upload documents and let the AI incorporate them naturally into your writing. And finally, integrated editing and AI refinement lets you adjust, improve, and finalize your essay in real time, all in one place. So who is this for? This AI essay writer is perfect for students and learners who want to simplify assignments, educators and researchers who need reliable and structured content, professionals who want polished documents, and content creators who need help with long-form writing. Now let's go back to essay result. This essay result is clear, well-structured, and easy to follow. It presents ideas in a logical flow, making it simple for readers to understand the main points without confusion. What stands out is how the tool helps refine the writing by identifying sections that may sound too mechanical or AI-like, allowing for improvements that make the content feel more natural and human. It also supports better clarity and readability by highlighting areas that need adjustment, which is especially helpful for students and content creators who want to strengthen their writing. Overall, this is a strong draft that demonstrates how AI can assist in organizing thoughts and improving structure, while still giving the user control to personalize and enhance the final output. Before we wrap up, if you want a full tutorial on the AI Humanizer, blog tools, and other features inside Dechecker, drop a comment below and let me know. Also, if you want to try this tool yourself, I've put the link in the description so you can follow along and test everything step by step. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials like this. Let's automate, delegate, and earn passively together.